In the pulsating cityscape of Delhi, where an online presence is crucial for businesses, a new player emerged in the field of website design, Chahar Technologies, located in the vibrant district of Janakpuri. This is a tale of a startup that, with its innovative approach and commitment to quality, carved a niche for itself in the competitive world of web design. The inception of Chahar Technologies in 2010 marked the beginning of a journey with a clear and ambitious vision: to equip businesses of all sizes with a robust digital platform to display their offerings. This was not just another web design company. This was a company on a mission to make a difference with websites that were as user-friendly as they were visually appealing. But the path to success was not without its hurdles. The web design industry was a battlefield, teeming with competitors. Yet, Chahar Technologies stood steadfast, driven by its unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. The founders understood that victory was to be won through a blend of talent, diligence, and a deep comprehension of their clients' needs. Their approach was simple but effective. The client was at the heart of everything they did. They recognized that each business was distinct and deserved an equally unique online presence. No matter the size or location of the business, Chahar Technologies treated every client with the same degree of attention and dedication. With the ever-evolving technology landscape, Chahar Technologies knew it had to keep pace. They were quick to adopt new trends and technologies in web design, from responsive design for mobile users to the latest design elements. Their dedication to innovation enabled them to deliver state-of-the-art websites that catered to the changing needs of their clients. The engine driving Chahar Technologies' success was a team of talented designers. The company carefully curated a team of individuals who were not only proficient in design, but also passionate about their craft. Their commitment to creating visually engaging and user-friendly websites became the bedrock of Chahar Technologies' triumphs. In Janakpuri, a community where word of mouth can shape a business's destiny, Chahar Technologies built a stellar reputation through consistent delivery of exceptional results. Their satisfied clients became their most effective marketers, sharing their positive experiences and contributing significantly to the company's growth. Over time, Chahar Technologies developed an impressive and diverse portfolio, demonstrating their adaptability and capacity to manage projects of any scale, from local e-commerce websites to intricate web applications for international corporations. But Chahar Technologies didn't confine its impact to the business realm alone. They actively engaged with the Janakpuri community, conducting workshops and seminars on web design, digital marketing, and the significance of a robust online presence. Their hard work and dedication didn't go unnoticed. Chahar Technologies started to receive awards and accolades for their excellent work in web design, further solidifying their standing as a leading website designing company. Through dedication, innovation, and a deep understanding of their clients' needs, Chahar Technologies has become a beacon of web design excellence in Janakpuri, Delhi. Their story is a testament to what can be achieved with the right vision, the right team, and the right approach.